Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn French with Pihu. I am Pihu and today we'll start with a new topic, the French accents. So let me recall you what we have done in our previous video. So we have learned about the French alphabets and today we'll finally start with a new topic. So let me give you a short outcome what we will cover in this video. So today we will learn about the 5 main French accents, how they change pronunciation, lots of real life examples, and a practice time quiz at the end. So let me give you a brief introduction about the French accents. So while learn French accents change the sound and sometimes meaning of the word. It helps in correct pronunciation and understanding. French has 5 main accent marks. So let's see what are those accent marks. So these are the 5 main accent marks. First is accent aigu. It's like a line as you can see diagonally. Next is accent grave. It's the opposite of that line. Next is accent circonflexe. It's like a cone. Accent CD. It's like a C with a 5 below it. And the accent tréma with 2 dots. Let's see one by one. So first is accent aigu. So it is used on letter E only. It sounds like A, as in the word cafe. So why to use? Because it makes the E sound sharp and clear. Let's see some examples. As you can see in the word cafe, the accent is placed above the letter E, as well as in the word été and in éléphant. So the next is accent grave. It is used on the letter E, A and U and also mostly with the letter E. It sounds like a, as in the word bed. So why to use? Because it softens and opens the sound. So let's see some examples. Like you can see in the word père, it is placed on the above the letter E, as well as in the word très and in the word ou. So as you can see one thing here, if you will not place an accent on the word ou, so it will change into different meaning. If you place an accent, so it will mean where, and if it is without accent, it will mean or. So you need to be careful by placing an accent. So next is accent circonflexe. So it is used on A, E, I or U, means in all the vowel. It sounds like longer closed vowel sound. So why to use? Because it often shows an old spelling used to have an S. Example, like in the word forehead, it is placed above the letter E, as well as in the word hôpital and fête. So let me give you a memory tip. What's missing? The accent circonflexe often means that a letter is missing, usually the letter S from all French words. So like as you can see, in the modern French, now we place the accent circonflexe. In the old French, we used to place an S in the place of the accent circonflexe. So wherever you see an accent circonflexe, just keep in mind that it's a letter S. So it will help you in English as well as in French. So it's a memory trick for you. When you see E, A, O with an accent circonflexe, etc., imagine this, there used to be an S here. As you can see in the examples, in the modern French, it's forehead with an accent circumflex, but in the Old French it used to be forest, as in English. So in the modern French, it's hôpital, but in Old French it was hospital, like in English. So the next is accent cédille. So it is used on only the letter C before A, O and U. It sounds like soft S instead of hard K. So why to use? Because it makes the C sound like S. Example, garçon, français, leçon. As you can see, the accent is placed before R in the word garçon as well as in the word français in leçon. So without accent cédille, garçon would sound like garçon. So it is important to put an accent circumflex in the word garçon, otherwise it will sound like garçon. So the next is accent tréma. It is used on E, I and U. It sounds like each vowel pronounced separately. So why to use? Prevents vowel blending. Example, Noel, knife. So it is used because if you want to put an accent tréma, otherwise the vowels will blend with each other. So it will make the pronunciation a bit different. So it is important to put an accent tréma in the words with two vowels. So let me give you another memory trick. Tréma, say both vowels. The tréma tells you to pronounce two vowels separately, like in the word Noel and knife. So finally, now it's the practice time. So try saying these words aloud. Été, été, été. Père, père, père. Forêt, forêt, forêt. Garçon, garçon, garçon. Noël, Noël, Noël. So here we have another mini quiz. Answer these questions in the comment box and I will check your answer. Great job! You have just learned French accents. Keep practicing every day and you will improve faster than you think. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Learn French with Pihu for more upcoming videos. So our next video will be on French numbers. So bye and see you soon.